Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stocks under $50. Now, the reason I wanted to make this video, because a lot of people think you need hundreds or thousands of dollars to get started with investing, and that is not the case. All you need is high quality picks. So we're going to be talking about the top 3 under $50. I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Do it right now. All right. Now, on top of that, make sure you guys check out my swing trading school where we talk about how I've been a full-time trader for 6 years, the strategies, the mindset I've used, and you guys can use code GIVE to get $50 off. So check that out. But all right, let's jump into stock number 1. So stock number 1 is a go-to for me. I've been investing into this for a while, but that is Palantir. Palantir has had this beautiful upward trend. On top of that, it just secured a $178 million contract with the U.S. Army for artificial intelligence. This is absolutely incredible. Now, artificial intelligence is what Palantir is heavily invested in. They pretty much invest into AI, software, data, and a lot of analysts think that AI is rated the best sector to invest in for the next decade, which is crazy. So Palantir should see some continuation off of this and their past earnings beating expectations, and if we look at like their revenues and stuff, you guys can see that their revenue is up 19%. Their previous one's up 16, 12, 17, 17%. So great growth out of this. But the thing of this one is it's going to be pretty volatile, meaning it does go up and down at a little more of a rapid rate. So a good strategy, and the strategy I would use for Palantir is going to be to dollar cost average it. So investing consistently is a great way to get a good average price for your shares and just overall invest for the long run. If you're looking to invest, 5, 10, 15 years down the road, dollar cost averaging is going to be great because if it sells off a little bit, you average down when it sells off, and once it recovers, you make a lot more money. But it's a fun way to invest in, a stock that I would really recommend. So stock at number 2 here is actually Opera. You guys know I'm an Opera guy. This thing is heavily volatile as well. You guys can see we've seen this great growth out of this, and it's sold off. Now, the thing is right now we're actually seeing better revenues right now than when the stock was at $27 a share. On top of that, for those of you that don't know what Opera is an AI search engine company. They work with Google. They offer free VPNs for their clients, and I've used their product. I actually use their product every single day, and they're absolutely fantastic. This is great. It has AI with your search, artificial intelligence with your search engine. So when you type things in, if you have questions, you guys can ask their AI or ChatGPT. They help you write little emails. It's a cool software. I've used it. I love it. But with that being said, the dividend yield for this is 5.5%, which is awesome. So for every $10,000 you have invested, that is about $500 in free cash flow that you guys can use to compound on itself. Now, starting out, I definitely would use DRIP just to reinvest those dividends back into this. But if you're looking to buy at a good price, personally, every time it's hit this 1050 mark has historically represented a great time to invest. And this is every time I've invested here is when it hits these dips, just because I know it has heavy support there and we've seen a lot of buying pressure there. So that's where pretty much my average cost is for this stock. And a lot of analysts think that by mid 2024 to 2025, we could see the stock trading for over $20 a share from its current price of $14 a share. So that is awesome. And look at these revenues, right? Up, 17%, 20%, 20%, 21%, 32%. Cash flows up 7%. So it's a pretty cool stock and one that I would really recommend. So let's move on to the last and final one. And this is ticker symbol ARCC. Now this is Ares Capital. You guys can see we had that great upward trend. Looking at their fundamentals, their revenue's up 10%, and then the previous quarter is 20%, 32%, 40%, 20%. Their cash flow is up. So we've seen great fundamentals out of this. Their EPS or earnings per share, is up, 105%. Their net profit margins up 114%. So a lot of great things out of this one. But one of the reasons I love it is because the dividend is over 9%. So for every $10,000 you have invested, That is $930 in free cash flow that you guys can use to reinvest into the business or reinvest, into yourself or, pay your car payment, your mortgage, or whatever it may be. But overall, guys, these are the top 3 stocks, in my opinion, under $50. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Now, if you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. Do it right now. And don't forget to check out my swing trading course where you guys can use code GIVE to get $50 off. And when you use that code, you're entered in for a giveaway. So we'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.